Hello YouTube, it's 2 Cool 2. It's update 1. The snowstorm is hitting NYC on January 20th through the 21st, 2011. It is January 21st in the morning, it's Friday, and basically the storm is almost past us. I mean, the sun's out. We still have a little more snow for the next 3 hours, and that'll be it. The storm will be over. Trees are covered in white. I like that. Looks nice. I heard the streets weren't even plowed. It's just cars running over snow, making this just fuss. My friend of Long Island says the road's already plowed and he can't even get to his bus for school. So I think this would be a good place to measure it right here in this car. Even though it's at an angle. But this is the best thing to find. The garden is all bumpy and everything. So, you know what, maybe on here, this looks like a flat surface. Alright, so, let me stick my finger in there. I would say maybe 3-4 inches. That's basically it, 3-4 inches. This update will be posted about maybe 4 p.m., 4:30, as I have to go to school, so I cannot post this right now. So yeah. So yeah. Looks nice, all the she's white and everything. Alright, well, stay tuned updates. Bye.